gratitude and pleasure, I heartily welcome my committee members for the upgradation of my school, the Kongunadu School, Velacountamati. It is situated in the state highway from Namakkal to E Road, nearly 14 kilometers from Namakkal. It falls under the Velacountamati village panchayat. It's a rural area. The children are mostly from rural area where they are studying here. This is the main entrance of our school. In our school, we have kept a flex for OTE. This is only for the poor people whose income is very less, below 2 lakhs per year. And this is the way the child all they will enter into that. And this is the parking area where the children they will park their vehicles and the staff they can park their vehicles too. And this is the waiting area for the parents. They will wait and pick up the children after the school over. And this is the power generator for our school. When there is a power shutdown, we can use this power generator for supplying power. And we are also having water purifier where this is the main source of the purifier. The water purifies here and it is supplied to whole school, which for the maintenance of the health of the children. Here, this is a vast area of a playground. It covers 5058 square meters. So the playground area is 5058 square meters. Here we'll have the volleyball court and we have transport facility for the children, which is helpful from the place of their home to the to the step of our school. And we have a 200-meter track and also a 100-meter track. Here we are having long jump pit. Our children are very well and good in the sports. They are much interested to play games. And we have a four-sided boundary wall, which is very safety for the children. And the height of the boundary wall is 8 meters height, 8 feet height. Our children are very good in sports. They got a state level placement in 100 meters, 400 meters, and 600 meters running, and also they have won a lot of medals in athlete as well as in the teamwork games. In the boundary, here is the stadium, which we will use to have all the functions over here. Mostly we'll celebrate sports day and annual day over here. This is our sports day stadium, as well as we'll use it as annual day stadium. Our compound wall is fully decorated with the leaders and the main coatings of the leaders, which the children often see and they will be familiar with those personalities. Our children not only achieved in sports, they have went to the neighboring states and national level and international level also they have played and they have more achievements. They are very good in archery and gun shooting too. This is a throwball court and we are also having shot put track. This is the kids play area. For the small Montessori kids, they use it to play every evening here. They enjoy their playing very well. Our school is a very greenish school where we have planted more trees. These are the areas the children love to play games here. This is the kabaddi court. Both the boys and girls they used to play kabaddi every day evening. Our kids, they love to play slide, merry-go-round, and they used to climb from here and they move around there. The play area is fully surrounded by the trees. It is very shadow, and whenever they want, they can come and play with the teachers here. And this is the main entrance area of our school. This is the main entrance area. The parents, they can come and relax over here. There is a waiting area for the parents. And this is the assembly area. This is the flag hoisting post. Every Monday we will hoist the flag and we will sing the patriotic song and we will express the freedom, the importance of freedom, and we will start the building from here. This is the entrance. This is the principal's cabin, and this is the toilet for the principal. Everywhere it is very hygienic. This is the office room where the parents will come and pay the fees and everything. Every class we have a notice board. They will display their own wishes in the notice board. This is a grade 1 class. And we will have digital board facility. The children, they love to see the videos with the song, music and everything. And if you want to teach anything, we will use the digital board, which they can easily understand. And this is the second standard classroom. The classroom is more lively, where the children, they can enjoy. They should feel as a home. They should not treat this as a classroom. They'll be more free and they'll enjoy reading here. We mostly use fun-filled activities. We have 4 houses. Inside our building, we have painted almost all the science personalities, which the children, they can know forever. We have 4 houses in our school: Drona, Prakashpati, Vashishta and Vishwamitra. And we are conducting house competitions based on this. The children are much interested and eagerly participate in all the competitions. This is a library. We have a vast library. We have n number of books here, nearly 3,888 books, which covers all English, Tamil, Hindi, GK, encyclopedias, storybooks, and 8 magazines, and we are buying nearly 5 newspapers, both in English and Tamil. We will have internet computer system with internet access, and we have a reading room. This room is very peaceful, and the children, they love to read books. They can come in their free period. They can come to the library and they can take any book and they can read. The reading room is full of silence. And we have a Xerox machine also here. It is followed by the PT room. The PT room has all the PT equipments. Most probably they will use to play silambam, carom, chess, and shuttle, tennis, everything here. Every month we are measuring the height and as well as weight for the children. Our walls are decorated with the scientists. This is Maria Montessori. We are following Montessori system in our school. She is the one to introduce Montessori. Here we have pasted the activities of the children. This is the Montessori environment where the children they can play, they can work silently without disturbing other children. Here we have displayed so many materials where what the children they will use it to work with that. We are following full and full Montessori methodology so that the children they can be free and they can feel they are living in a home. It's not like a school. The Montessori environment makes the child free to be free to learn, free to understand, free to explore himself. He can explore at any time by using this Montessori methodology. We are having inbuilt toilets and wash basins for the Montessori children. All are very hygienic. The toilets, all the children they use it to wash their hands. All they are using their good toiletry habits. We have two environments of Montessori. In the two environments also we are having inbuilt toilets and restrooms, both for boys and girls separately. This is another environment. This all belongs to the EPM and the sensorial material, where the children they can learn the basic things which helps the movement of wrist movements and the motors, fine motor and gross motor process in this area. All the items like the home setup we have made it, they should feel that they are in their home. They can take rest, they can eat, drink and move to the restroom. Here also we are having toilets for the children and the hand wash area and the wash stations for the children to their size, which they feel very comfortable. And we have painted our walls for good habits and the seasons and the necessary items what they are using in their day-to-day life, and also based on the stories. Here we are having digital boards to play music and also for teaching and learning methodology is taking place here. This is Montessori playroom. The children they can play over here. And we'll have a beautiful aquarium. And here we are having ramp so that the for the people to climb over here. We are having, we are having indoor games room where they can play chess, carom board, and table tennis. This is a toilet for the kids. The toilet is very hygienic and we are having plenty and n number of rooms which is fully secure and very hygienic. The children are very particular. After using the toilets, they wash their hands and they maintain their cleanliness perfectly. And now we are moving to the first floor. Here also we are having toilets and the washing area. இப்பதான் எப்போ ஆஃப் ஆச்சு?